SoFi stock is a company that's pulling back just like the rest of the market. Currently, it is trading at $17.14. However, on the report for their 10K that came out not too long ago, which was released on February 17th, 2026, we do continue to see that this company is profitable and they are a business that works, and it does show up in the financials. So a lot of people are wondering, especially with the current price action, what's going on with the market. They are wondering, is SoFi still a buy, or is the price action reflecting something that both me and you are completely unaware of? Again, my name is David. I'm here with InvestQ. I love making these videos for you, so please feel free to comment below what it is you guys want to see next, as I love making videos that you guys want to see. So please, I respond to every comment. Feel free to comment below and hit the like and subscribe button. Now, SoFi, I'm more than certain that almost everyone watching this video would be aware of SoFi stock already, but if you're not, that's completely okay. SoFi stock, they uh, are a money app that basically takes care of the things that where you would need to go to actual physical building in the bank to take care of, where now you wouldn't need to do it the same way because it's all in the app. It does help with giving out loans, helps you saving money, investing money. It does things that you would have to go. Basically, it just gives you the convenience of doing everything that you need to go to for a physical building, to the actual physical building of the bank. It's just all on your phone for the most part. That's a simple way for me to summarize it. And in relation to their actual excuse me, in relation to their actual financials, let's start off with the total net revenue. They had over 3.6 billion, to be exact, is 3,613,354,000. And again, if you're confused, again, the numbers, as you see, it's in the thousands, so you have to add the 3 zeros behind it. And this reflects a growth year over year of 35%. So for a company that's already at the scale of SoFi, this is pretty big growth. And not only do they show continuous growth like this year over year, if you just look at the quarterly reports and you just simply look at the revenue, the chart graph, you'll see that it continuously gets higher and higher and higher and higher every quarter. They have not missed, and they are very consistent in growing their revenue quarter over quarter and year over year. Now, you also do need to know that more good news, especially for a company of this scale, and why people love this stock, is they are profitable. They have a net income at 481,320,000. So this is a company that continues to grow its revenue. It continues to grow quarter over quarter and year over year with their revenue, and they are profitable as well. Now, I just want you to know that SoFi is choosing growth, and now it is, well, I wouldn't say now it's starting to pay off, but now I guess you could say you're seeing that it continues to pay off through their consistency and their ability to continue to scale and improve quarter over quarter and year over year. Now, what you do need to know is that the way that they generate most of the revenue is in relation to personal and student loans. So when you invest in SoFi, you're betting on their ability to lend money efficiently, grow members, and keep everything inside of one ecosystem. Now, let's talk about what actually looks very strong just besides the revenue. Gross margin is at 83%. In the report below it, they do have cash on the amount of cash they have is at 4.3 billion. Assets are at 50.6 billion and liabilities are at 40.1 billion. They own more than they owe. And that's a healthy balance sheet overall, which is more green flags stacked upon each other, along with the revenue and the fact that they're already profitable. The big picture that viewers may not know, or that you need to be thinking about, is you have to ask yourself, what happens if SoFi keeps growing like this? More users, which they already have a lot of users, reportedly from what I found was at 13.7 million, more loans and more products per user. So that's how companies turn into giants. But the risk that you can't ignore is this is still a financial company, which means interest rate matters, credit risk matters, and the economy matters. And as we all do know, the entire stock market is at a pullback. So that probably is a reflection of what's going on at this very moment. So my honest take, SoFi is no longer just a story. It's not. It is executing, has been continuing to execute for quite some time. They're strong. They got strong growth. They're profitable, and they have strong margins. But the real question is whether they can sustain the long-term growth. In my opinion, I do think they can. But again, that is not my decision to make for you. You got to make that decision for you. So if you want more breakdowns like this on companies that are actually growing and evolving, make sure you hit the subscribe and like button and turn on the notifications, because the goal is simple: help you to be able to spot opportunities early before everyone else that catches on. So with that being said, guys, David with InvestQ out. Love doing these videos for you. Comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you all in the next video.